Good morning. Regina Flores Real Estate Group back with another episode of Ramona Revealed. Today we're at Cedar Creek Falls Trail and we're going to hike this today, and it is a tough one, but it's worth it. Let's go check it out. Hey, I recommend coming out here really early before 6 o'clock and bring lots of water. Wow, that was brutal, but so fun and beautiful. And check out our blog post for information on how to get your hiking permit. Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode of Ramona Revealed.